Hi guys, this is Level Crossing Fan here, and I'm going to be filming the beer train, which is running between Melbourne, running from Melbourne to Denali and back, and from Denali back to Melbourne. And my first filming location is here at Geelong Road at Bannockburn. And I'm going to have my Western Cullen Hayes bell ringing, and I've got an umbrella on it. I'll just move it in because it's not showing. And move back a bit. There we go. Yeah, so I've got an umbrella over it to protect the jumper leads because, yeah, it's just so they don't create sparks from the rain. And yeah, it's a bit of a crap day really, raining quite a bit. So yeah, I'll be filming at this crossing, and then we'll hopefully get down to the crossing at Meredith-Mt Mercer Road in time. And I'll ring my Western Cullen Hayes bell there too. And then I'll film it at Lydiard Street this afternoon when it heads back to Melbourne, and that will be my filming done. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so it's coming now. It's coming up from Gerringhat. You can see it in the distance there, so get ready to set off my Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. Looks like we've got a feline N-class pulling it. Yes, that's a feline N-class, not a feline N-class passenger train. Oh, we've got a few locomotives. N470, T413, S306. We've got two locos at the back. There we go. Let's hopefully get down to Meredith in time, but perfect timing there. Train's coming. The beer train with the three locos are coming up from Lethbridge. You can hear the whirring of the train. Yeah, here we go, you can see it now. So yeah, this is the same train we saw back at Bannockburn, so same train. You best hold that. Well, I'll get ready to turn off the bell.
What if I want to block mine? What if I want to block my ears? Right, stay there and I'll go and
Yep. The beer train's now heading down towards Elaine, but anyway guys, final filming location will be this afternoon at... Okay, we just happened to be beating the train up here to Elaine and thought it would have already gone through. God, that's loud. Sorry. Do a bit of commentary in my videos. This is it, guys. The beer festival train's on its way. So as I saw on the train track at Victoria, it's now just leaving Invermaid because it had to stop at the signal to make way for the V-line Velocity, which came from Windaree going to Melbourne. Like it's getting closer. I'll get a view. Yeah, here it comes, slowly coming up the line. So it's got the two Freight Australia locos pulling it back to Melbourne. The first loco is H5 and H3 is the second one. So same train as I filmed at Lethbridge, Meredith and Elaine. Looks like it's about to stop on the crossing. No, pulling in maybe, I don't know. Slowly pulling into the station now. Looks like it's about to stop altogether. It's stopped on the crossing. Well, yeah, it can't fit all the carriages into Ballarat station, that's why. Letting off the passengers on the first four carriages. So I'll get a view of the locomotives. So we've got this Pacific National S306 loco, followed by the Victorian Railways one T413, and we've got the V-Line N class N470. Here we go, now it's going to move up. It's going to let the other passengers off. There we go, that took forever, but the crossing's going to go off soon. There we go. Okay, I'll get a view of the beer festival train as it heads down to Humphrey Street. There we go. Anyway guys, that's all for the beer festival filming, but hope you enjoyed these filming locations where I filmed today, Lethbridge, Meredith and Elaine, as well as here at Lydiard Street. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye.